Meet Cricut AutoPress 2, the next generation of our most powerful heat press, designed to deliver consistent pro results. With adjustable temperature, time, and pressure, you can enjoy a fully customizable pressing experience and get the perfect press every time. Zero-effort, hands-free operation does the heavy lifting for you, saving you time especially when making in multiples. The 15-inch by 15-inch heat plate and adjustable pressure let you take on the widest range of projects, like apparel, pillows, and more. Plus, edge-to-edge even heat delivers long-lasting and pro-quality designs. Flexible control is at your fingertips with the Control Pod, with 4 customizable presets for a quicker setup. Or connect via Bluetooth to the Design Space app and control your press from your mobile device. Either way, with our interactive heat guide, providing precise settings and step-by-step instructions, making just got easier. Press with confidence and make more in less time with Cricut AutoPress 2.